Hello and welcome. Hope you're all doing good. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can fetch data from your database. So let's just begin. So as you can see, our previous database is still over here. So let's just move into it. And you can see there are three tables into this. Now I'm gonna fetch the data from these tables. So let's just see how we can do that. So for example, if I want to fetch everything from the table employee, what will I do? I will simply write select steric from employees, right? And here as you can see, the data has been fetched. Everything from the table has been fetched. Now what does the query meant? I wrote select steric from employees. So steric means everything, means select everything from employees. So we wrote select everything from employees. Similarly, if I want to fetch only names and department from employees, so what will I do? I will simply write okay, I will simply write select name comma id from employees, right? Employees and semicolon. So here as you can see, the name and id has been fetched. We wrote select name comma id from employees. So here as you can see, he has selected the name and id of all the employees. Now moving forward, now what if I want to display the information of employee named Jones? I just want information of the employee named Jones. So how will I do that? I'll simply write select everything steric from employees where name is equal to Jones, right? So over here you can see the employee named Jones, his information has been displayed. The information has been selected. So we wrote select steric from employees where name is equal to Jones. Now this is the simple syntax of this query. Like you have to write select everything from the table named employee where the employee's name is this, right? Where the employee's name is Jones. So now moving forward, here you can see there are three columns: id, name and category. Let's say I want to fetch the data of products whose category is snacks. So what will I do? I will simply write select everything steric from products where category is equal to snacks, right? And we'll just run this query. As you can see, the column having the category snacks has been displayed. Similarly, you can do the same for all the tables. What you have to do, you have to write select what you want to select and from which table you want to select, right? So in order to fetch data from your database, what you have to do is you have to write select keyword. Then you have to write what you want to fetch, like you want to fetch the name, you want to fetch the id, you want to fetch the category, anything you want to fetch, you have to write that. Then you have to write from keyword, and then you have to write the table's name, right? Similarly, if you have to select some specific column from the specific table, what you have to do is write select. Then you have to write what you want to select, like the employee's name or the employee's id. Then you have to write from, then you have to write the table's name, and then you have to write the condition, like where the name is equal to James or where the name is equal to Elijah. You have to write the condition in the end, where the condition is this: select this from this table where the condition is this. So I hope you guys understood. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and goodbye.